One of the best investment for your car is a dash cam. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the power of one developed by Yi. Okay, let's open up the Amazon Dashcam. Got a bunch of papers. Aha! We got a mount, which is not a suction, it's actually a 3M tape. Ooh, a cigarette port with a USB. How thoughtful of them. Micro USB. Now we're talking. And of course, our main event. Damn, that's looking real nice. Alright, so these are your accessories. You got the camera, you got the cigarette lighter, you got the mount, the USB, and a little banner. And it's as simple as that. Let's get this installed on my Genesis. Before mounting, you want to prep your windshield. First thing you gotta use is invisible glass to remove any dirt and debris. Second thing, for the winter especially, is an anti-fog. Okay, so we take this and we just spray. We're gonna do section for section, so the first half here. Okay, so now we do the same for the other side. Use the underhand method to scoop. Okay, so now anti-fog. You can see there's like a haziness going on. Alright, so we are done with the prep. Now take off the stickers, insert the micro SD and power on. I want to make it 1080p, 60 frames. Mic's on, G sensor, LCD off in 1 minute, 80 AS, let's try keep it on, Wi-Fi's on. We're gonna format our micro SD. Okay, and you can see top left, it's already recording. Time to peel this and mount. Okay, so I can now drive it like this. I can also see my rear view mirror. From the driver's seat perspective, I want to see if it's actually recording. The red light shows that the power is on. The yellow or the amber blinking light shows that it's recording. Adhesive mounting clips aren't included, but you should purchase them from Amazon to route your wire around the windshield, so your passenger doesn't think you're a slob. To route on the passenger side, you want to have one clip by the door, the cable tucked in by the USB port, and then 2 clips on the footwell. Use a heat gun on the surface to have a stickier mount. Instead of using the charger provided by Yi, I decided to get myself a dual port charger so I can charge my phone at the same time. And that completes our setup. From the outside, this is our view. It's not as inconspicuous or stealthy as I'd like it to be. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you found any of this helpful, then please consider subscribing and I'll see you in my next video.